Semi-arid lands mapacho kaendi osingo mar siro lipot mar BBI tok twak mane gibedo godo kama nolernegi ber mabende gibiro yudo kowuok ka BBI ka bende rowere omi thuolo mondo ochiw pachgi ewi lipot makamano. Moko kuom jotelo mane nitiere e romono ero ne na gavana ma Garissa manoeri Ali Korane kod gavana ma Wajir manoeri Mohamed Abdi e kin jotelo mamoko.
Fursa hii leo because zamani tulikuwa nasikia tu vijana kutoka sehemu fulani kutoka Northern Kenya, lakini sasa imekuwa asal regions of Kenya inaonekana wameona mwangaza, wakasema tunaaminiana sisi tukiwa watu ya asal, ikiwa ni Waturkana, ikiwa ni Wasomali, ikiwa ni Borana, ikiwa ni Masai. Wameona ya kwamba shida yao ni moja. Ndio hii asal group imebuniwa. Kwa hivyo ningesema asanteni sana kwa kuleta vijana yetu pamoja ili waseme shida zao, waseme shida za wananchi kote katika asal areas. Asema asanteni sana.
So far so good. I think we have come very far. This has become a workshop, a seminar, a lecture, a conference. We have had so much. We have exchanged so much. We have been sensitized so much. But all looks very good. I'm very happy that the communities from the Asal counties or from the pastoralist communities have become the most vocal and most participatory in the national conversation on the BBI. Because no other community has met in the number of events we have met, either as national leaders, as members of parliament, as members of the Frontier Counties Development Council, which brings together the governors from the arid and semi-arid lands, and very many forums. I think we have been able to make our message very clear on where we are, what we think of the BBI, what we want in the BBI,